Hi guys, me again. We continue with our pie. This is how my pie look like after like for 35 minutes in the oven. So I put it doesn't matter how much oven you put, but you have to just keep an eye on it. But I put my oven at 180 degrees. But it takes like 35 minutes, about that, but a little bit more than 30 minutes. So I wanted it to look like, because like I'm saying, that you have to keep an eye on it so that you see that it look this golden brown and then it look delicious. So now this is it, guys. But what am I eating with this pie? Because it looks so good. So now this pie became so big that I cannot eat all of it myself. So now I'm just gonna cut half, and then I'm gonna make the portion for two from it, because I didn't know it's gonna just become that big. So now, but it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead. As you can see now, it looks like this. It looks so good. So I just gonna go ahead and cut it. Because I cannot eat this big myself, so I'm just gonna share this half. So this is it. This is it, guys. This is how my pie look like. You can see the inside is like that. So I am very happy with my pie, the way it looks like that. So I'm dishing my own plate here. Like I'm placing it there. And I'm gonna eat this pie with my broccoli. This broccoli, I just boiled it earlier. So I'm serving this pie with broccoli and cauliflower. So I'm putting these things together there inside of my plate. It looks so delicious that you guys can try to do it home, because like I always say, that if you are into cooking, you're gonna want to learn as much as you can. I've failed so many times, but when I'm failing, I start again, I try again, and then it end up coming good. So this is too much for me actually, but I'm just showing you guys, this is how I want to dish it. So now I love this kind of, because now we are almost in Christmas, so we love this kind of colorful food. And who doesn't like Christmas? Christmas are beautiful. Christmas people, they are happy, and now you need a happy meals. So now my plate look like this. Today is all about broccoli and cauliflower. Not salad, not like a normal salad, but now then I make my own. This sauce is just like my own personal, like I made it. So now it's just like a sauce to, it's like a salad dressing. You can use this one into the salad dressing as well. Maybe next time I'm gonna show you how I make my own sauce, my own, especially this one, because it's good with the normal salad as a salad dressing. So now when I'm serving this food, I'm just putting because my broccoli and cauliflower is so dry, so I cannot eat it like that. I just need a little bit, a little bit of like there's some sauce inside there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this one on top of the broccoli. I don't want it everywhere. So now this is it about my sauce, and now my food look like that. If you want to, now I have parsley, like to decorate it a little bit. I just keep spread it all over my plate, just like that. It looks so delicious. You can always, as usual, decorate the plate the way you want. It looks so delicious. So delicious. And my pie is there. So now I'm just keeping spraying, making some final touches of my food, which I'm so excited. So this plate look like this now. What else can we do? I cannot wait to taste it. So guys, it was nice, to sharing another meal with you. I'm gonna, as if I can, I'm gonna keep on sending to you my home cook recipes, and I hope you're gonna try one of these. I cannot just wait to taste this. You guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, I have something quickly to show you here. Before I even cut, I almost forgot, guys. You know what? There is this, since we're going to Christmas now, there is this thing I made earlier. If you just ask, what did I do here? I just decided, I woke up with this idea, you know, like, oh, let me just do something nice, you know, like creative, be creative and things since I'm home today. So I cut this broccoli, the branch. The broccoli branch, I cut it and then I just plating. This plate is got something kind of sharp on it. So I just placed the broccoli on top of that kind of sharp metal there. So I put my toothpicks. I put all this olive oil. I'm using these small sausages, but you can use anything to decorate your plate to look good. So you can use, what you call this, salami, anything you want to put in your plate. But if you can ask me, guys, what is this? There is some white stuff there inside. There is some white here, decoration. Isn't it look like a little bit like a snow? So I made it, I just kind of thought something, let me just put it here to look like a snow. And then now this one is cauliflower. And then if you ask also, what is this green stuff here? This is broccoli. I just blended them to look like this. So guys, you enjoy. Thank you very much. I'm sure that this is look like so much. We cannot wait for Christmas, and because those colors, they're looking so beautiful. So guys, this is what I did today. I did this one earlier just because I have if you have a visitors coming, they can just, while they are waiting for you to prepare the food, you can just give them some snacks. You can put there salami, you can put like ham, you can put anything, anything that you want to put there. So guys, here is all my dishes for today, and it was nice to share it with you. Thank you very much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.